You can actually stop a sneeze mid-air just by rubbing your tongue on the roof of your mouth. Sounds bizarre, but it's a trick your brain can't ignore. Sneezes are basically reflexes, your body's way of kicking out irritants, but you can hijack the process. When you feel that tickle in the urge building, press your tongue firmly against the top of your mouth and rub back and forth. This weird little move sends a rush of new sensory signals to your brain, distracting it from the sneeze command it was about to send out. It's like flipping a switch in your nervous system before the sneeze escapes. People who use this hack swear it works almost instantly, saving them from awkward situations or messy moments. Next time you're about to sneeze in a silent room or during a meeting, try this out and see how your brain reacts.